This dance is called You Can Hear a Heart Break. It's a 48 count, 4-wall, intermediate level line dance. Starting off with a modified back rumba box. So we're going to be putting some shuffles in these steps. So we step the right to the side, step the left beside the right, shuffle back on the right. Step the left to the side, right beside the left, shuffle forward on the left. It's your modified rumba box. Once more then, off on the right, 7, 8, side, close, back shuffle, side, close, left shuffle. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left. Make a further half turn, shuffle turn over your left shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. Rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right into a full triple turn, travelling forwards. So half a turn right as you step back on the left, half a turn right as you step forward on the right, step forward on the left. That set of steps once more then. Step pivot, off on the right. 7, 8, step, pivot, half shuffle, back, rock, full triple turn. There you have got the equivalent there of 2 separate full turns. So your step pivot half shuffle is one, and then your full triple turn is the other. If you need to try and take those out, for the first one, what you can actually do, rather than doing your step pivot, rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on the left. Instead of doing the half shuffle, shuffle back on the right. Then you can rock back on the left, recover, put in your full triple turn, or if you want to try and take the full triple turn out as well, shuffle forward on the left instead of that full triple turn. So non-turning steps there should you need to take any of those turns out. Now I will demonstrate the full triple turn, so the second one of those 2 full turn steps. Whilst we're doing the demonstration, the walkthrough, I'll actually be doing the non-turning shuffle step option when the music is on. But I'll still call out full triple turn so you know where it is in the dance. So let's add those 2 sections together. Rumba box off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, back shuffle, side, close, left shuffle, step, pivot, half shuffle, back, rock, full triple turn. Step forward on the right, hold into a scissor step, stepping left to the side, right beside left, cross left over. Step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right, point the left to the side, side touch point. And a modified sailor quarter turn. So you're going to do your sailor quarter, behind, side, stepping forward at the end. So that set of steps once more then. Step, hold, scissor step, off on the right. 7, 8, step, hold, scissor step, side touch point, sailor turn. Let's add that to the top. Back rumba box off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, back shuffle, side, close, left shuffle, step, pivot, half shuffle, back, rock, full triple turn, step, hold, scissor step, side touch point, sailor turn. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on the left, into a coaster step, right foot leading. Stepping out, so the first half of a V-step if you like, So the left goes slightly diagonally left, the right out to the side or diagonally right. Hold on the and count, bring the left beside the right, step the right to the side. That set of steps once more then, forward rock off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, coaster step, out, out, hold, close side. Let's add that to the top. Back rumba box off on the right. 7, 8, side close, back shuffle, side close, left shuffle, step, pivot, half shuffle, back, rock, full triple turn, step, hold, scissor step, side touch point, sailor turn, forward rock, coaster step, 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 hold and side. Cross rock, left over right, recover your weight on the right. You're going to make a 3/8 of a turn with a cross. Now this is 1 and 2 count timing steps. So you're going to make a quarter turn left as you step that left forward. 1/8 of a turn left as you step the right to the side, cross the left over the right. So you should be facing 430. So that's a turn side cross. You're now going to do 2 sets of cross shuffles. You're going to put half a turn on to start with. So you're effectively going to turn yourself half a turn to the right as you start to do your cross shuffle right over left. With this first one, although you're effectively travelling to that left corner, you are going to angle your body to that left corner as you do your cross side cross. Half a turn again, so you're now back facing 430 into that cross shuffle. So I will do that again slowly to start with. Cross rock to start, and then into those shuffle type steps. Off on that left. So we cross, rock, recover, quarter, 1/8, cross, facing 430, half a turn, cross, shuffle. So although you're kind of facing 1030, your body's angled to 730, another half, cross, shuffle, as you're facing 430 again. Now as you're going round the walls, and you're doing these angled steps, it can be quite easy to lose your position. So the easiest thing to do, when you do your cross rock, quarter, 1/8, cross, think right shoulder, that's the direction you're travelling in. So if you keep your eye on that corner wall, you won't go wrong with your steps. Famous last words. So let's do that set of steps once more, just a little bit faster. The music isn't that fast anyway, fortunately. Cross rock off on the left. 7, 8, cross rock, turn side cross, cross shuffle, cross shuffle. So hopefully you're all facing 430. Let's add that to the top. Back rubber box off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, back shuffle, side, close, left shuffle, step, pivot, half shuffle, back, rock, full triple turn, step, hold, scissor step, side touch point, sailor turn, forward rock, coaster step, out, out, hold and side, cross, rock, turn side cross, cross shuffle, cross shuffle. So you should all be facing 4:30. Rock to the side now on the right as you square yourself up to the 3 o'clock wall and recover. Into a little weave, behind side cross, step left to the side, right beside left, cross shuffle, left over right. That set of steps once more then. You're facing 4:30, squaring yourself up to 3 o'clock. 7, 8, side, rock, behind side, cross, side, close, cross, shuffle. End of the dance when you get to that point. Let's put it all together. Back rumba box off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, back shuffle, side, close, left shuffle, step, pivot, half shuffle, back, rock, full triple turn, step, hold, scissor step, side touch point, sailor turn, forward rock, coaster step, out, out, hold and side, cross, rock, turn side cross, cross shuffle, side, rock, behind side cross, side, close, cross shuffle. That is your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Back rumba box off on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, hold 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, hold 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing as well. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Remember what I said about your right shoulder when you're doing those cross shuffles, it will help. Back rumba box off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, back shuffle, side, close, left shuffle, step, pivot, half shuffle, back, rock, full triple turn, step, hold, scissor step, side touch point, sailor turn, forward rock, coaster step, out, out, hold and side, cross, rock, turn side cross, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side close, cross shuffle, side close, back shuffle, side close, left shuffle, step, pivot, half shuffle, back rock, full triple turn, step, hold, scissor step, side touch point, sailor turn, forward rock, coaster step, out, out, hold and side, cross, rock, turn side cross, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side close, cross shuffle, side close, back shuffle, side close, left shuffle, step, pivot, half shuffle, back rock, full triple turn, step, scissor step, side touch point, sailor turn, forward rock, coaster step, out, out, and side, cross, rock, turn side cross, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side close, cross shuffle. So that is your dance and your walk through. Let's give it a go to her music. Five, six, seven, eight. Side, close, back shuffle. Side, close, left shuffle. Step, pivot, half shuffle. Back, rock, full triple turn. Step, scissor step, side touch point, sailor turn. Forward rock, coaster step, out, and side. Cross, rock, turn side cross, cross shuffle, side rock, hand side cross, side close, cross shuffle, side close, back shuffle, side close, left shuffle, step, hit, half shuffle, back, rock, full triple turn, step, scissor step, side touch point, sailor turn, forward rock, coaster step, out, and side, cross, rock, turn side cross, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side close, cross shuffle, side close, back shuffle, side close, left shuffle, step, pivot, half shuffle, back, rock, full triple turn, step, scissor step, side touch point, sailor turn, forward rock, coaster step, out, and side, cross, rock, turn side cross, cross shuffle, side rock, hand side cross, side close, cross shuffle, side close, back shuffle, side close, left shuffle, step, pivot, half shuffle, back, rock, full triple turn, step, scissor step, side touch point, sailor turn, forward rock, coaster step, out, and side, cross, rock, turn side cross, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, side close, cross shuffle, rubber.
I turn out the lights and silence fills this place.
Scissor.
You can hear a pin drop, the ticking of the clock.
Forward
If
rock.
you listen real close, you can
Cross
hear a
rock.
heart break.
Side rock.
You can hear a heart break. Yeah. Yeah, you can hear a heart break.
Hope you managed that well.